Welcome back. Today, we're diving into an important concept in Java serialization, the serial version UID. If you've ever worked with Java's serialization mechanism, you might have encountered this mysterious field. But what exactly is serial version UID, and why does it matter? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of its role and how to use it effectively. Let's start with the basics. Serial version UID is a unique identifier for a serializable class in Java. It's used during the deserialization process to verify that the sender and receiver of a serialized object have loaded classes for that object that are compatible. In other words, it ensures that the class definition hasn't changed in a way that would make the serialized object incompatible with the current class. So why is serial version UID so important? When a class is serialized, its serial version UID is included in the serialized data. During deserialization, Java compares this ID with the serial version UID of the current class. If they don't match, you'll get an invalid class exception, indicating that the class definitions are not compatible. This check helps prevent data corruption when deserializing objects. Now, how do you define serial version UID? It's simple. You add a static final long field named serial version UID to your class. Here's an example. In this example, serial version UID is set to 1L. You can choose any long value you like, but the key is consistency. Once you've set it, don't change it unless you need to intentionally break compatibility between versions of the class. Let's see serial version UID in action. Here, I create a class dog with one field called name. As you can see, the serial version UID is currently set to 1L. I can serialize the object and deserialize it and get back the name of the dog as expected. However, if I change the serial version UID to 2L and try to deserialize the same serialized object, I get an exception. When the serial version UID doesn't change, I can change the class, for example, add a new field called breed. The deserialization works and the field that wasn't available in the serialized object has the value null. Automatic generation of serial version UID can lead to issues. If you don't explicitly declare it, Java will generate one based on the class structure. However, even minor changes to the class can alter the generated ID, causing compatibility issues. That's why it's recommended to define serial version UID manually, especially in classes that are intended to be serialized. In conclusion, serial version UID plays a crucial role in Java's serialization mechanism, ensuring compatibility between serialized objects and their corresponding classes. By understanding and properly using serial version UID, you can avoid common pitfalls and ensure that your serialized objects can be safely deserialized, even as your classes evolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Java tips. Thanks for watching.